Hold serve, unveiled. What does it mean? Hello, dear language learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, hold serve. You might have heard it in various contexts, especially in sports, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together. In tennis, serving is a fundamental part of the game. The server has an advantage because they initiate the play. When a player wins the point while they're serving, it means they've successfully defended their position. This act of successfully defending while serving is called holding serve. Beyond the tennis court, hold serve has been adopted into everyday English language, especially in American English. When used figuratively, it means maintaining one's position or advantage in any situation, not just sports. For example, if a company is facing stiff competition but manages to retain its market share, you could say the company held serve. To truly understand the phrase, let's look at a few examples. 1. In a sports context. Despite the aggressive play from her opponent, Serena managed to hold serve. 2. In a business context. With so many startups emerging, the original tech giants are struggling to hold serve in the market. 3. In a general context, even amidst strong opposition, the mayor held serve and passed the legislation. There you have it. Hold serve isn't just for tennis, it's a versatile phrase used in various contexts. The next time you hear it, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this explainer has made it clear for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.